two eyes.
Where?
Right behind there.
Right over there?
Yeah.
Courtney. Courtney.
Yeah, and I got the leg light.
Okay, so what are y'all gonna do?
When we looked in the closet, and I see two eyes.
Two eyes?
Two eyes.
Like the letter eyes?
And I see the two daddies and two Kelseys and two Gwens.
Two Gwens?
Yeah.
Oh.
And two Polos. Yeah.
Okay, we'll go investigate. Go see what it is. You have a flashlight. You shouldn't be scared, right?
I've been behind that. When I was a baby, I was scared of this thing.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I was scared of Banner this day. And
You were scared of Banner too?
then, okay. I looked behind here.
Okay, look behind there.
Yeah, I see two Gwens and Kelsey and that.
Oh wait, you said you see two Gwens and Kelsey, and you see nothing.
No, I see two eyes in there.
Two eyes?
Yeah. Yeah, and with in the closet in here.
What do you think, Kelsey?
I see something.
Kelsey, what do you think?
Yeah. Tickets.
Tickets.
Yeah, tickets are not seated. Tickets are not seated. We got our tickets.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Let's look inside the closet.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
I would do it. When we have. Okay.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
What?
When I
What?
Bye.
bye.
Bye.